All right, so this is a demonstration for how to upload your Parabola Selfie to Desmos.com in order to get the equation for your parabola. All right, on Desmos.com, you will see this page and you'll go ahead and go to Start Graphing. When you click on Start Graphing, you're going to be given a blank coordinate plane. You can go ahead and take a moment to create a free account. You can use your school Gmail account. That way your work is saved and you don't have to worry about it getting lost. All right, once you have created your account, you will go ahead and go to this Add Item sign. You'll click on Add Item and you'll go to Image. So once you're on the image, you will go ahead and get your photo. Choose your photo and it'll pop right up. What you can do, now you'll need to adjust your image so that your vertex lines up at a clear point and also that you're able to identify another clear point on your graph. So in order to move or adjust your Parabola Selfie, you can click on this center button and it will move and adjust. In order to adjust the size, you'll need to click on any one of these corner buttons in order to adjust the size. So this part just takes a little maneuvering in order to get your Parabola Selfie in a position where you have clear vertex points and another clear point. So I've moved mine around and I'm identifying my vertex right here at 2, 4. So you will, once you've identified your vertex and another point, I have another point right here, you will go ahead and press the addition sign again, and you're going to enter a table. In your table, you're going to go ahead and add in your points. So my vertex was at 2, 4, and there we go. It popped up right where I wanted it to. And then my additional point was at -2, 2. There we go, right on my point. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now, give you time to record, to find and record your points. Okay, now that you have identified your vertex and an additional point, you are able to do the math. After reviewing the video on how to get the equation of a parabola in vertex form. So let's check. Once you've done the math, you can check to see your math in Desmos. So let's go ahead and do the addition sign. Now you're going to click on expression, and this is where you will enter your equation. So if you notice down here, there's this little keyboard. You can show the keyboard that gives you the symbols that you need to use. So I'm going to type in my equation, y equals, I got -1/8, and then I'm going to enter in my x -2, close parentheses squared, plus 4. And there we go. We have the graph equation of my Parabola Selfie.